Some people share their Python codes online, but others don't. Maybe they don't have money to pay for the cloud computing platform. Maybe they don't want to expose their work to the public online. So how can we share our codes with colleagues if we don't have a cloud computing system? There's a solution. When you share your codes, the first step is to export the codes into a file. And then you can send the file via flash drive or email to your colleagues. Once they receive the file, they need to download the file onto their computers and then import the code into their Jupyter Notebook platform. Let me show you. Here I have a bunch of codes, right? I want to share them with my colleagues. So I want to export them into a file first. In Jupyter Notebook, click File in the top left corner, and then choose Download As. You can save the codes into a variety of formats, either notebook or Python codes. Since I'm using Jupyter Notebook, so I will export the file into a notebook format. Click Notebook. And then you can see a file is generated by the notebook platform. Let's open it in the folder. And then you can share this file with your colleagues via email or flash drive. When they receive this file, they can download this file into any folder on their computers. Right? Suppose they download this file into their Downloads folder. I want you to remember this location, Downloads. Right? After the download, they need to open Jupyter Notebook and then go to the notebook homepage and then just locate the file they downloaded. Since I downloaded it into the Downloads folder, so I click this blue folder icon to locate the Downloads folder. Here it is. This is the file I just downloaded. I can click it to open it and then see the codes inside of this file. One point I want to mention is if you also want to share source data with your colleagues, make sure to tell them that when they download the source data and the Python codes, they should download both files into the same folder so that the Python code can recognize the original data set. This is the solution to share Python codes without a cloud computing system.